Camel Pose. Begin kneeling with your knees hip-width apart. Extend your toes straight back and take your hands to your low back, fingers pointing down. Lift out of your low back and get tall while initiating your back bend just in the upper back. Push your hips forward. One at a time, bring your hands to your heels, cupping them with the fingers on the inside. Draw your shoulder blades in towards the spine and down the back. Heart opens towards the ceiling. Drop your head back and let it hang. Continue pressing down with the feet and lower legs in order to lift up with the thoracic spine and chest. Hold for 5 full breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return your hands to your low back. Inhale, rise up, leading with your chest. Head comes up last. Sit back on your heels.